Hello, everyone. Welcome to our frequently asked questions session for ear seed acupressure and guasha. And for tonight, we have the Rotary group from Dumaguete, Philippines. Okay, Dumaguete North. Welcome, everyone. So we prepared a 100-point quiz. Um, it's actually a master class. Okay, these are answers to the most asked questions about AcuWellness. AcuWellness will include ear seed acupressure or auriculotherapy and guasha. Question 1. A patient reports that pressing the ear seeds, causes slight tenderness. The practitioner should explain that this finding. So what's your answer here?
C.
Answer?
C.
C, very good. It is generally considered a normal response during stimulation. Actually, they should be able to feel some slight tenderness, no? Which statement best reflects the current understanding of how ear seed acupressure works? So,
D.
I'm sorry, letter B?
C.
Ay, ano ba yan? Make up
Letter
your
C.
mind.
Letter C gani. C.
Okay, letter C. Stimulation
Mhm.
of auricular reflex points may influence nervous system regulation, no? So we are actually creating a trend for the community, for those who may not be able to avail of acupuncture services, no, because of the cost. So hopefully we can make that dream come true, educating the community about how ear seed acupressure works. So as you can see, it will stimulate reflex points on the auricle, no, or the outer ear, and this can influence the nervous system. Number 3, a patient asks whether ear seed should replace prescribed medication for migraine. So what is the best response?
C.
Yes, they are only complementary, should not replace medical treatment. Which patient represents the most appropriate candidate for ear seed acupressure?
C. Rajapang.
Okay, healthy adult with insomnia. The practitioner recommends pressing each ear seed. How many? Okay, don't mention the letter already. You just have to read the answer. No?
About 30 to 60
Yeah.
seconds, 3 to 5 times daily.
Okay, we have to always
Yes, Keith,
instruct the.
perfect.
I'm sorry.
So yeah, kay kong Kit, oy, baling tuon.
Yeah. So
Congratulations, Kit.
after uh, putting the ear seed, you have to instruct the patient to press it not too hard, no? About 30 to 60 seconds per point, 3 to 5 times a day. A patient accidentally loses an ear seed while showering. The recommended advice is read the
Doon na.
answer.
What happened? Letter C. Rajapang. Discard if and,
Ang
re-
replace it.
and replace
Place it if
if
appropriate.
appropriate.
Okay. Which auricular point is described as one of the most commonly used because of its calming and pain modulating effects?
Shenman.
Shenman.
Yan.
Of course. In fact, this is the first point that we should use, no? Uh, and then we would usually follow it with either brain or sub or sympathetic or point zero. Okay, let us discuss the other points, no? So if you have emotional stress or even your fatigue, no, you're so pagod, you have to um, apply ear seed on the liver point. Okay, so that's on the right ear. Point zero, it's like bringing um, everything back to its normal function. So it's like reformatting, no? Okay, so it's like bringing back to the original situation. The oxytocin is good for headache, no? Neck pain. It's actually very good, especially for headache associated with blurring of vision. Let's go to number 8. Current evidence suggests magnetic ear seeds are
Not clearly superior to non-magnetic earthing.
yes. That's why we did not ask you to try magnetic ear seeds because we don't really see much difference at all. Di ba, Mama Risa? Okay. So it why would you want to use magnetic, di ba? So the Vacaria seeds is would be enough. Which situation requires the greatest caution before applying ear seeds? Now, this is very important. On July 18, during our mission, okay, so you need to really look at the ear. You examine if that particular patient would be a good candidate for the ear seed therapy. So, what is the best answer here?
Pregnancy.
Pregnancy.
Okay.
Pregnancy.
Now,
Caution.
you can actually use ear seed, but you just have to avoid the the abdominal area, no? And also the points that can, yeah, the uterus, all these things. So the best would be Shenmen. But if you are having doubts, so don't proceed na lang with the ear seed. So the answer is B, pregnancy. Typical treatment involves stimulating approximately how many auricular points?
3 to 8.
Okay. Our
Auricular
favorite is 5. So let's try 3 lang, no? You can go as many as 8. That would be both ears na. So okay, anyway I will put the points on the intake form. And what is important is you make the patient happy. So you can, okay, the first point would be Shenmen, then brain, and or the sympathetic, then the points. So we can probably go to 3 to 5 or even 8.
Fine.
So let's try to stick to 5 or less. Which outcome best describes the expected onset of benefit from ear seed therapy? Who will answer? Would you
C,
like to answer,
variable.
Mary?
Some occur
Variable.
within minutes, while others require several sessions.
Yes.
C.
So it varies, no? Not everyone is the same. Correct answer is C. Which material is least commonly identified as an ear seed? Siguro
Silicon implant.
silicone. Which patient would generally not be considered an appropriate candidate for ear seed therapy?
Adhesive allergy affecting the ear.
Yes. So a patient asks whether exercise is prohibited while wearing ear seeds. So we will have patients who are doing workouts, no? Or maybe going to the gym. So what will you answer?
Exercise is
Generally
generally
acceptable.
acceptable.
Yes, exercise is generally acceptable. The term siya in Guasa most accurately refers to what? So they will ask
Temporary reddish or purple
petechiae, yeah.
PTK palming treatment.
Okay, so it actually refers to petechiae, okay? Reddish or purple petechiae following treatment. Which explanation best distinguishes gua sha marks from ordinary bruises? What is your answer?
They result from therapeutic scraping and generally and resolved within
Issue
without
them.
tissue damage.
So when you do scraping on the back, the moment you see the petechiae coming out or appearing, you can already stop, no? So if there's really no petechiae coming out, then you don't have to continue. Okay? Next, proper facial gua sha differs from body gua sha primarily because
Uses lighter pressure and generally should not breathe.
yeah, so we use lighter pressure on the face. You don't have to
Face.
wait for shot to come out, okay? Which lubricant would be most appropriate before performing body gua sha?
Massage
Massage oil.
Yes. Which patient? Okay, let's not forget the oil, madam, ha?
Yes.
Which
Sabi sa-
patient presents the strongest contraindication for gua sha?
active skin infection.
Okay.
Contradiction.
So you have to examine the body, no? So on July 18, we will be doing both ear seed and gua sha. Okay. So the technique there, you press one point, then you ask the patient to press the other point. Then while he is pressing the other point or all the other points, you have to do scraping to so that we can finish early. Okay. So maximum of 5 minutes to 6 minutes per patient. A patient taking anticoagulant medication requests gua sha for neck pain. This is the reason why we should always have the intake form. Okay, so they have to fill that out, no? So para we would know how to proceed. So what is the answer here? You have a patient who is on clopidogrel or warfarin, no? So what would be what will you
Exercise caution
B.
because
yes.
of therapy increases risk.
Yeah. So do not press too hard, okay? So exercise caution lang. You be ano. It's not really an absolute contraindication, unlike when you see some open wound, no? Or allergy, but you just have to be cautious. Current evidence regarding gua sha supports which statement? Answer.
B.
Yeah.
Research suggests benefits for microcirculation, pain reduction, and motility.
Okay.
All
More
the
high
more
quality
highly
studies are needed.
are needed.
For high quality
Yeah.
B.
So this is quite a challenge because not so many people are doing it yet.
Mm.
Which statement regarding toxin release after gua sha is most accurate? Okay, some people, of course, they would think, oh, does it really release toxin?
Letter C.
Okay.
Okay. Claims of toxin release are not well supported.
Improve liquid circulations.
Okay. Although we see improvement in the local circulation, we still need studies to support that there are actually toxins that are released, no? So let's not try to promote something that is not proven yet. But what is important here is you improve the circulation locally.
Yes.
Mm. Compared with cupping therapy is what is commonly known as ventosa, no? Gua sha primarily uses what?
Repeated scraping stroke.
Yes.
C.
Following gua sha treatment, patients are commonly advised to right after. Okay. What will you advise the patient after performing gua sha?
Increased hydration.
Yeah.
Hindi ko
You
sigurado.
may want to offer tea or
Increased hydration.
banana.
Hydration.
Increase hydration, especially if
Oh.
you see a lot of sha coming out, no? Next, which integrative treatment combination is commonly used with gua sha?
Integrated treatment.
Acupuncture.
Acupuncture. So we don't do acupuncture for the community, but we are
We
doing
do what?
ear seed. So nice, diba? Ear seed.
Yeah.
While the patient is pressing on the seed, you do kwasa. A patient develops persistent redness and itching beneath the adhesive tape after ear seed application. The most likely
B.
cause,
Adhesive sensitivity.
yes, adhesive sensitivity. Which statement best explains why children should receive ear seed therapy only under supervision?
Statement based on why children should receive ear seed therapy only
Wait.
D.
Hmm?
Hmm?
Children
Really,
can tolerate? What's your answer?
Treatment should be supervised by a trained
Yes.
practitioner.
Hala, na Arabay price daw ma-answer tanan, Mama Risa, ikaw to nag-promise.
Wala ni nakakuan ani ron. Sana mapilihan si Dr. ani ron.
Treatment should be supervised by a trained practitioner. A practitioner leaves ear seeds in place for 5 days. Which patient instruction is most appropriate?
C.
Correct.
Yeah, correct. Press the seed several times. How many seconds?
60.
3 to
60
6
seconds,
seconds.
3 to 5 times a day. Which condition is a common indication for ear seed acupressure?
Stress and anxiety.
Boss, sakto na po.
Yes, kayo, attorney.
Correct.
Yeah. A patient asks why different practitioners use Vaccaria seeds. Some would use metal beads, some also magnetic pellets. The best response is
B.
See?
oh,
Current evidence does not clearly show magnets are
solid. Then
real.
why are we using it pa? Grabe man.
Magnets are so
C is
There.
wrong. Answer is
B.
There.
B. Current
B.
evidence does
There.
not clearly show magnets are superior. So if it was
There.
shown to be superior, then we will use magnetic seed, di ba? Magnetic pellets. Pero pareho raman, so why bother? Which recommendation best reflects proper patient education after ear seed placement?
D.
Okay. Showering is acceptable. Then you gently pat the ears dry afterward. Don't leave it wet, no? You have to pat.
Well,
You use a Lavacara or facial towel. A patient asks whether ear seeds guarantee immediate symptom relief. So this is very, very common, no?
see that
Will it,
one.
yeah, will it give you immediate relief? What will be the best response?
Response times varies considerably among individuals.
Yes. Which statement best reflects
B.
counseling regarding ear seed therapy?
Gawa ng answer.
Answer is
It should be viewed as complementary care.
complementary care. It cannot replace conventional medicine. Ha? Dili ta patakag sulti. Ayaw na nakaadto sa imong doktor. It doesn't cure chronic disease, no? They have to come to you forever. Diba? It doesn't cure chronic disease. It takes time. That is why, Mama Risa, we should have a clinic, no? This will be your legacy. The
The
North Star.
kuan.
contribution to the wellness. It eliminates, okay, you still need physicians for consult. Number 34, a patient with severe eczema, you know what's eczema, no? Affecting the auricle, requests ear seeds. Yan naman siya eczema. So what is the best management?
Avoid treatment on affected area.
Yes. Duha man na. So you can use the other ear. Kung parehong ear na, ayaw na lang. Okay. The primary purpose of lubrication before guasa is to
Reduce
Those
friction
friction during
with
scraping.
yes. Which guasha tool material is listed in the frequently asked questions?
Which
which was my specific.
ceramic.
No, we did not use ceramic.
Wala man ta. Plastic ba na?
Beyond stand.
Actually, kana ato wala din ha, but it's almost near Bianstone. Bianstone is the original.
Stand.
So, but we use buffalo horn kay mas natural man. So, na-try na to use ceramic, titanium, or plastic. Okay, there are many being sold na plastic, sakit siya, no? Which condition is a common indication for body guasha?
Sports recovery.
Yes, sports recovery. Okay?
Which
So,
condition is a common indication for body wash?
sports recovery, you don't do it for acute MI. Dalo ni man na sa doktor.
Yes, oo.
Kidney stones, di pa na mawa ang kidney stone.
Yes,
Para,
for sports recovery.
basi unya ba nag-click? Nakakita. Sports recovery, no? Alright. A patient becomes concerned after developing red PTK following body guasha. The practitioner should explain that these marks usually, okay, na-worry siya because you forgot to tell patient na
B represent expected superficial
so
circulatory
before you
changes.
perform guasha, you should already tell the patient. And then you should show.
Wala.
So ayaw po pala bii. Nanggawas na gani, ayaw na pa. Hantod mo purple, no? The moment maggawas na, you stop na. Next. How long do guasha marks most commonly persist? So, mangutana na sila.
2 to
Ano sa
7
matibang
days.
Yeah, 2 to 7 days. Okay. So you can do this once a week or twice a week. Which patient should most likely postpone guasha treatment?
Individual with severe sunburn.
Yes. Wow.
Yes. Sakit. Bakit? Grabe.
Sunburn, severe sunburn. Yun mo pa, nasunog,
Tay.
na gani, di ba?
Sakit.
Ay na, paktay.
A patient asks whether
Village.
pregnancy absolutely prohibits guasha. The best response is
B.
yes. You
TB.
can still perform guasha but avoid, of course, the areas, no?
Pinakataas na answer.
Kasi mga anak na. Which recommendation is most appropriate immediately after guasha? This was already asked earlier.
Yeah, increase hydration.
Hydration.
So maybe madami can offer tubig or tea.
Beer.
Walang libre man. Which statement best distinguishes facial guasha from the therapeutic body guasha? Repeat question.
Which statement best distinguishes?
B.
Body guasha generally uses firmer pressure.
Yeah, firmer pressure. Gibali lang. Kung ang facial guasha, gentler, no, murag feather lang. Sa body, you use firmer pressure. Which patient history warrants particular caution before guasha?
Anticoagulant
Yes.
therapy.
That's why we have the form, no? They need to tell us kuan. Then let's be familiar with clopidogrel, sa pana din na warfarin, basta mga anti-platelet medication. Next, current scientific evidence most strongly supports guasha for
improving local circulation and reducing
muscle.
musculoskeletal
Okay.
pain.
So this is what we should explain to the doctors who will be around, no? Yeah. So what does guasha do? Oh, improve ang local circulation, mag-reduce pain. A patient asks whether guasha and cupping are identical therapies.
No.
The best answer is
B.
yes, both promote circulation but use different therapeutic methods. Next, which statement best reflects the frequently asked questions discussion of scientific evidence?
C.
Yes. Dugaya.
See, may binatapit na answer.
Next, which therapy is commonly combined with guasha?
Acupuncture.
Yes. Which patient question reflects, by the way, before I forget, no, for those, basi malimtan ba na ako ba? Find time to attend the July 25. Okay? We need your support also para naatay credibility gamay, no? Who knows, the same people will come to Dumaguete very soon. Or
Yung,
if we have enough money already, we can go to France to
Na,
learn auricular medicine in Lyon, France. Maybe a year from now. Di ba manifest na Ma'am Marisa? And we can only do that if we collaborate with Philippine Academy of Acupuncture Inc.
itna.
Okay? So,
Paik.
maningkamot yun mo mag-attend. Maminaw ra mo.
Ay, kuha na, is, live man na.
Live.
Local.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And na ay certificate. O, di ba?
Yes.
Actually, ko ana siya. We're actually penetrating Visayas and Mindanao by hopefully opening an office in Cebu. And maybe Dumaguete, di ba? Naku, madam, i-manifest na madam. So if we can have the PAI, we can also have the TOH, di ba? Oh. Excited. Na manifest na madam niya gatchigong na. O di ba dili man ko an mangarap, di ba? Who knows? Kinsa pa ba wala din na president sa Lyon, France na ta mag-attend og kuani sa anak ni Paul Noger, si Raphael Noger. Okay? So high-end na. Next, which patient question reflects realistic expectations that practitioners should routinely address during consultation? So that, in other words, what is the most common question that they will ask? Especially if you're charging them.
C.
Yeah.
Will this
Pay the winner. How many sessions will I need?
this cure every
Yes. How many sessions will I need? Okay. That is, this is the more realistic.
Close.
So, kani ang medyo you need to have an answer.
Wala na.
So,
Close na
katong
ka.
letter A, of course,
Ay,
it will not permanently cure every disease, no? You cannot stop all medications. You cannot replace surgery. Okay? So, the best answer is how many sessions?
will I need?
Pag-una-una na ron si Mama Marisa about the legacy. Which of the following best summarizes the philosophy presented throughout the frequently asked questions? What is the philosophy behind it? So usually the one with
C. Both therapies are complementary approaches that require appropriate patient selection, safety precautions, and realistic
yes.
expectations.
So you need to select the patient yun, no? You need to examine unsa ba ni siya, candidate ba ni siya, no? Safety precautions kung pregnant or if the patient is on anticoagulants, no? And realistic expectations. Okay? So syempre, dili gud ka musulti na maay. Tuloy-tuloy naman, di ba? Because this will pave the way for, for continual education A patient asks why the ear is used instead of another body area for, yeah, because they would say, ay, okay, well na, so that there must be acupuncture. But why did we use the ear and not, why did we use, yeah, and not the body?
B. The auricle contains reflex points corresponding to organs and body system.
Because eventually, in the future, di ba, Ma'am Marisa, the people might might prefer the ear na lang. But of course, no, but nothing can replace the body.
The body.
But at least no kung naa may alibyo, especially if your problem is still quite early, no? So we can use the ear. Which patient would most likely benefit from education regarding realistic expectations before beginning ear seed therapy?
B. A patient asking how often to press the
No.
seat.
Okay, a patient expecting complete symptom resolution after one. You do not
Most likely.
resolve. Dili na madala dayon one treatment lang, no? Actually, all the other. Okay, in other words, you find a question that cannot be answered, no? Oh. So letter B, a patient, of course, you know the answer, how often to press the seeds, di ba? And also if showering is permitted and how long the tape remains attached, okay? A practitioner notices increasing skin irritation. Okay, this was asked earlier. What's your answer?
Remove
Remove
the
ear
old
seed,
seed.
then reassess. No? Which patient statement indicates the need for additional education? Remember, we are serving the community by educating them, di ba? Sige lang kuan. Para they will be aware. Okay. Which one of the four will indicate the need for additional education?
Her seeds can replace my doctor's
Doctor.
So this one, you should already emphasize sa beginning pa lang, no? Actually, the reason why we're doing ear seed acupressure is for patients to actually seek consult already, medical consultation, while early. Dili kay di na makaginawa mo pa naman. Ang uban nga no? Can you imagine how many people we can help? So while early, they will spend less pa, di ba? Okay, I don't know if si attorney knew about it already because I had one cancer the eye. I won't mention the name, but I think he already knows. Stage 4. Di lang kumusulti. Sige na, recorded na ba ni? Anyway, which characteristic best describes ear seed acupressure?
non-invasive.
Yes, non-invasive. Diba? A patient asks, okay, sakit ba ang ear seed therapy? What is your best response?
It is usually painless, although pressing the seeds may produce mild tenderness.
Okay, very good. Which of the following is not a common use for ear seeds?
Treatment of bone fractures.
Fracture.
You don't treat bone fractures. A patient accidentally rubs off one ear seed during sleep. What should the practitioner recommend?
Replace it with a new if appropriate.
Diba? At least nag-bonding na mo. Which factor most influences the number of auricular points selected during treatment?
The presenting condition.
Yes. Whatever the condition of the patient is, you should be able to address it. No? Actually, no, 18, all we have to do is we focus on what does the patient want? Sakit iyaliog, then you relieve the pain, diba? A patient with persistent adhesive allergies requests ear seed therapy. May allergies. Which response is most appropriate?
Exercise caution because adhesive allergy is a contraindication.
Yes.
Indication.
Yeah, exercise caution. The primary, okay. Now this one is a very important question. Why do we do gua sha, body gua sha? What is the primary therapeutic goal of
Improve circulation while relieving muscular tension.
Yeah.
a patient asks why body gua sha produces more visible marks than facial gua sha? Okay, Ma'am Vichay, what's your
A.
answer?
Ay, sorry.
A. A facial gua sha uses Nanjan.
Yes.
Oh, Bichay.
Diba? Ikaw na mag-answer tanan. Which
La-
of
Ikaw
the
naman,
following,
Luigi. Ikaw na na.
which of the
Naman
following
na lang.
is least appropriate before performing gua sha? Lista.
Pambichi.
Nice.
Ang Vichy. Si Mama ay, kumusta na imong apo Mama na Marilyn? Dili lagi mo tingog si Mama Marilyn.
Nakamute siya.
Oo.
Ah,
Sige lang.
Wala niya
Okay,
makita.
unmute, madam.
Unmute yung Kuanlin.
Okay.
D. Dry scraping without lubricant.
Yes.
Oh,
So we should
perfect.
all prepare your kit,
Ah.
Okay.
Right.
Which statement best reflects the current scientific evidence regarding gua sha? O, di ba, paulit-ulit.
Hmm.
Ma'am Vichy. O, Ma'am Marilyn. Now,
Sige.
unmute. Imagine na siya.
Even in support
Okay, sige na. Ma'am Vichy, what's your answer?
Letter B.
Wow,
Alright.
okay.
Evidence supports several musculoskeletal
Skeletal.
Okay. More research is needed.
Sige, go. Which patient should receive the greatest caution before gua sha treatment?
bleeding disorder.
Yes, patient with bleeding disorder. You will know it from the medications that iyang ilista. That's why you need to ask, no? The appearance of petechiae following gua sha most likely indicates. Okay, so what does it mean pag merong mga siya, Ma'am Vichy?
Skin infection. That's
Kaya,
You might want to reconsider. Okay.
A na A.
Wala okay. Basta petechiae, kuan na siya. It's because of superficial circulatory changes. Okay, ikaw gihapon. A patient asks whether gua sha may be combined with acupuncture, no?
yeah.
So, what will you answer? Kasi there will be some who will be who have received acupuncture na. So,
Combined therapy
yes,
is
combination therapy. Needle first and then gua sha, then cupping. Which statement best reflects evidence-based communication? Evidence-based. Letter
E.
B.
B.
Research suggests, yeah.
May improve circulation and reduce pain.
Maurag yun na, ha? Improve circulation, reduce pain. A
Okay.
patient with muscle soreness following athletic competition seeks treatment. Which therapy is mentioned for sports recovery?
Body gua sha.
Gua sha.
Yeah. Which patient question best demonstrates informed participation in care?
A.
Kanang informed, ha?
Letter A, how many sessions?
Correct.
Yes. Yan.
Balik.
Protect
Patient asked whether gua sha marks always represent bruising. Unsang bruising sa Bisaya?
Bunol.
Okay. So, what will
But-
be your response? What will be your answer?
B.
from and between.
They are therapeutic
Bitchy.
that generally resolve without tissue.
Yes. They are therapeutic, no? Then walay tissue damage. Which statement most accurately summarizes post-treatment advice after gua sha?
A.
A,
Yes.
Water.
Allow
drink
this.
plenty of water and allow the skin to recover naturally.
Mamaligya ang water.
Dalatag water.
A practitioner explains that ear seeds should remain in place for
Letter B,
yeah,
approximately 3 to 5 days.
which of the following patient expectations is most realistic?
Letter A,
Correct.
improvement.
Yes.
Improvement may occur quickly.
Yes. Multiple sessions are sometimes required. Which principle is consistently emphasized throughout both the ear seed and gua sha FAQs?
Letter B,
Correct.
Yes.
complementary therapies should be practiced with appropriate safety precaution and patient education.
A patient asked whether ear seed acupressure can be safely combined with prescribed medications. So, what is your best response?
Yours is
B, ear seed therapy is intended to complement, not replace.
is
Yes.
medical care.
Which
Correct.
patient very correct. Which patient requires the most careful evaluation before receiving ear seed therapy?
A.
C.
Letter C,
C, open wound.
on
Refer na. Baka nisulod ang ear seed. Which statement best explains why
Wala.
patients
Yours is ikaon.
are encouraged to press their ear seed several times daily?
B.
letter A. Letter B. To
B.
provide
Repeated stimulation.
That's the best answer. A patient reports improvement immediately after treatment, while another notices changes only after several visits. This illustrates that
B.
Yeah.
answer
Res- respond.
response to therapy. Dili pare-pareho, no? Which statement best reflects the recommended duration for leaving ear seeds?
Balik na.
Yeah,
letter
balik
C.
na. Charo.
3 to 5
Letter C.
Okay. Don't forget to instruct the patient. Which of the following is, basi ba pag after 5 days ang galin na nila, basi pagbalik na to after 2 months na agyapon ng ears.
Grabe ha.
Nakoy pasyente inana. Wa ganyan gitanggal
maligo.
wala nagkuha. Which of the following is a common indication for gua sha?
B.
Yes, limited range of motion. So, shoulder pain, okay? A patient undergoing anticoagulant therapy requests gua sha for shoulder pain. Okay. Why, by the way, I have a question. Why are some patients on anticoagulant therapy? Ano man ga clopidogrel na sila because they are prone to
Piki yan ang dugo. Heart attack.
malapot ang dugo so pwede ma-stroke anytime.
Ay,
Diba?
so dire heart attack patay.
Yes. So, you have to be careful lang, no? Okay. Anya, puro ano ba? Puro grabe ang siya, no? Ang petikye. So what's your
Sana
answer here, Ma'am Vichy?
Letter C. Exercise caution because anticoagulant therapy increase.
Okay. Which explanation best describes why lubrication is important during gua sha?
Letter B.
Yes.
Friction and
Correct.
smooth therapeutic.
Okay. Which material is a commonly used gua sha tool? Repeat na ni. Lain na po diyan.
Stainless.
Stainless steel. Pero bugat ang stainless steel, ha?
Mm-mm.
So we use the natural buffalo horn. Which patient would most appropriately receive facial rather than body gua sha? Why facial? O sa iyang, you know,
Letter B.
A na A.
A.
you
Seeking cosmetic facial relaxation.
mas gusto nila
Patient.
facial. So you do cosmetic facial relaxation. On Friday, we will demonstrate how to do the ano ha. Starting from sa ubos pataas. Pero if possible, ayaw na lang kay more on cosmetic. A patient becomes alarmed after seeing reddish marks following gua sha. The practitioner should explain that these marks generally
Letter A.
yes,
Expected therapeutic.
petikye,
Tick.
petikye,
Tick.
all natural.
PPK.
Mauna ang siya, petikya, okay? Petikye plural. Which statement is most consistent with the FAQ regarding detoxification claims? Repeat na ni.
Letter C.
C.
Ah?
C.
What's your answer, Ma'am Vich?
Letter
C.
C.
Letter
Support for the
Detoxification claims is limited.
limited. Pero, ingin na lang nato na there is improved local circulation. Which combination of therapies is appropriate in integrative practice?
B.
B.
Letter
Gua
B.
sha and
Gua
acupuncture.
Acupuncture.
Okay, which patient expectation is most appropriate before beginning either therapy?
Letter B. Results may
Yes.
vary.
Mahilig din. Next, a patient asks how frequently gua sha may generally be performed. Gua sha ha, dili irsid.
Once a month.
Ay,
B na.
Robbie.
B.
No,
Once or twice weekly.
once or twice weekly.
Dugay ra ka na.
Murag dugay ka.
Di man ta ka-income, anak, che.
Which patient should generally avoid gua sha unless medically appropriate?
Patient with active skin infection.
Yeah, letter A. Doon na ta. A practitioner explains that body gua sha differs from facial gua sha because body treatment
Bebe.
applies firmer pressure for musculoskeletal conditions. Which statement best summarizes the current scientific evidence for gua sha? Again.
Letter research report.
O gilahi ka, no? Na ay potential benefits for pain, circulation, mobility, but high-quality studies are needed, additional. Which statement best summarizes the current scientific evidence? Again, the same on the ending, sorry. A patient asks if showering is permitted. Pwede ba maligo or mag-shower? What will you say?
B.
Yeah.
Shower normally.
Normally, parang wala. Okay. Then you have to pat the
Just
ears
pat the
dry.
ear. Dry.
Which question from a patient best reflects shared clinical decision making? Actually, this is what we want to achieve, no? Sa community, especially when we're starting with the
Letter A,
yun.
combine these therapies with my medication.
Yes, letter A. Okay,
Alright.
very good. Which characteristic is shared by both ear seed therapy and gua sha, according to the FAQ?
Letter B,
Complementary.
both are complementary therapies emphasizing patient safety.
Which patient instruction best demonstrates appropriate self-care after ear seed application?
Letter A,
Okay.
press the seeds for approximately 30 to 60 seconds several times daily.
Yes. A patient asked why practitioners often answer questions about treatment expectations before beginning therapy. The best explanation is
Letter A, to establish realistic expectation and improve patient.
Wow.
very good. Which statement best integrates, obvious naman sa answer, no? Best integrates the overall philosophy presented?
B.
Letter B, these therapies are evidence-informed complementary approach that
Approaches.
require appropriate patient selection, safety precautions, and professional.
Judgment.
Okay, and finally, the last one.
Last, Ma'am Marisa. Wala na answer.
Ano yung answer daw? The practitioner wishes to practice.
Pinakataas.
So the answer,
Oh
actually,
no,
parang
oh
the
no.
same lang man. Evaluate each patient individually, educate
Educate
them, no?
realistic expectations.
Realistic expectations, observe contraindications, integrate the therapies responsibly with conventional care. Thank you very much and congratulations
Perfect.
Perfect. Tanan.
for the perfect score. Perfect ba? Okay.